Welcome to the BPA platform training videos from Codeless platforms. Here are the objectives, required tools, and approximate running time for this video. On completion of this exercise, we will see how to extract data from a database, generate a report using the Run Microsoft Reporting Services tool for customers that are over their credit limit, and save the report as a PDF. This will be broken down into several short videos that cover the objectives listed in the accompanying documentation. This video will cover parts 1 and 2. To begin, we will create a connection to the training database that can be used by any task. This is referred to as a global connection. Let's launch BPA Platform. From the Task Manager, go to BPA Platform, System, Tools, Data Connectors, then double-click Database Query, ODBC. In the dialog box, click Add, expand ODBC drivers, and select SQL Server. Then click OK. Choose Local from the Server drop-down, and clear the selection for Use Trusted Connection. We now need to enter our credentials. Click Options, choose BPA Platform Training DB from the Database drop-down. Leave all other settings with their default values, and click OK. Type a meaningful name for this ODBC data source, then click OK. The new connection appears in the ODBC Connections window. Select it, then click Test to ensure a working connection. Click OK, then click Close. The first step of the task is to extract the account details from the BPA Platform Training Database. We will do this with the Database Query ODBC tool. For this exercise, we will create the query manually by typing the required script. From the Task Manager, right-click on Tasks. Then select New Task. Name the task Customers Over Their Credit Limit RMRS. Add a description, Microsoft Reporting Services Report, showing customers who have gone over their credit limit. Go to the Design tab, right-click in the Design area and select New, Data Connectors, Database Query ODBC. Add a name for this step, DBQ, Clients Over Credit Limit. From the Connection drop-down, choose the Database Query ODBC connection created previously. OK, now go to the Query tab. Here we specify the columns and the exact data we want in the report. In this example, we will manually create the query. Alternatively, this can be created through the drag and drop tools, as we have demonstrated in other training videos. Click the Free Type Mode button and confirm the change. In the space provided, type or paste the following. To ensure the query works as intended, click Execute. You should see the records returned in the Results tab. Click OK, then click Yes to save the Database Query ODBC step. Click OK to save the task. And that's it for this video. We have created a connection to the database and extracted the data. In the next video, we will create and save the report, link the steps, and run the task. Thanks for watching.